This is a aDoor Property Management User Guide for owners who have online portal accounts.
Okay, so if for some reason you cannot find the login website for your Buildium account, you can simply come to our aDoor Property Management website, click on Owner Login, and it'll take you straight to your portal. Once you enter your credentials, the landing page for the program is this financials page. This is a P&L that you can change to either be one property, or if you have multiple properties, you can select all properties. You can change the period of time that you look at it. We'll do month to date, and you hit search. Over here on the left-hand side of the property, you can select the plus sign, and it'll open up to give you more details. Your rental income, all of your expenses, to give you the total for your net income. Again, you can also select all properties, and it'll have you a breakdown per property. The next tab we'll talk about is the documents. In this section, we will be putting any PMAs or any other documentation that has been uploaded and for your viewing. You'll be able to find all these documents under that tab. Next, you can go to requests. We're going to do add request. This will be any request that you want from our office, whether this is a maintenance item you want us to look into, a question that you have, or something that you want to bring to our attention. Simply with the subject, a brief description. You can upload any files, photos, anything that's relevant to the request. Select the property. This will go to an employee in our company, and we will address it as soon as we receive it. Last but not least is your reports section. Here you have a balance sheet, income statement, rental owner statement, and appliances. Eventually, we'll have all appliances put into this section where you'll be able to see warranty information, installation dates, serial numbers, all pertinent information. Right now, we're going to focus on your rental owner statement. This is a statement that you'll run every month around the 15th that breaks down what your distributions are. Again, here you can do single properties. You can select the date range, so we'll say February. And you simply hit run report. This gives you a breakdown of your income, your expenses, the security deposits held, your reserves held, and down here where it says available for payment, that is actually your distribution for the month. Now, if you want a greater description, you simply make sure up at the top where it says transaction details, then you have a check mark beside there. Run the report again, and you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see a detailed line-by-line item of everything that shows on the owner statements, all the income, all of the expenses, and whatnot. Again, you can also do all rentals and see a side-by-side comparison of incomes, expenses, and to see what your total distribution will come to in the breakdown for each property. Mind you, if you do select all properties, down at the bottom, the detailed line-by-line items, the properties will be in together, so they don't separate those. You can also do these are live reports, meaning you can run them in real time. So we can look at March, even though March hasn't even ended, and you can see all income and expenses paid out to date. However, until you're notified that the owner statement has been audited and completed, and checked for any corrections. This information could change at any moment. So, mind you, this is something that once the 15th comes around, we have distributions, we send those out. We'll give you a notification that you can run your owner statement and that the information is accurate. You can also, if you hit the date range, scroll all the way to the bottom and you can select custom dates. So if you need to have anything for an outside vendor or any of your financials, you can actually select the start and end date to the time frame that you want to view it. So you have a lot of control over how you view the information rather than a PDF just sent by us.